Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Trust Wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your app store first in order to get started. Go to the search box at the top and type in Trust Wallet into the search box. Perform your search and you'll be able to find the app displayed at the very top on the next page. Tap on the download button right next to the app and your download for Trust Wallet application should begin. Trust Wallet is a crypto and Bitcoin wallet, and you can send and receive, store Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies and digital assets safely and securely. Once the application is downloaded on your iPhone, tap on the open button popping up right next to the app to launch the app open. That was how you can download Trust Wallet application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with some more videos like this. Thank you for watching.